Today, we're counting down the top 5 best air fryers that combine performance, convenience, and real customer favorites. Stay tuned to see which one could be the perfect fit for your lifestyle. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer 10 QD Double Stack XL2 Basket, compact design, cooks 5 pounds whole chicken, feeds up to 8 people, 6-in-1 air fryer, roast, bake and more, easy to clean, dishwasher safe parts, gray, SL401. Designed for families or gatherings, the Ninja Double Stack XL brings a unique 10-quart capacity with 2 independent baskets stacked vertically. This clever design saves counter space while offering enough room to cook a 5-pound whole chicken, making it ideal for feeding up to 8 people at once. 6 customizable cooking functions include air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and broil, giving flexibility to handle anything from crispy fries to tender roasts. The Double Stack XL uses dual-zone technology to cook 2 different foods at separate times or temperatures without mixing flavors. The top and bottom baskets can finish cooking simultaneously, thanks to smart finish and match cook functions, making meal prep faster and more convenient. Each basket features a non-stick coating that's dishwasher safe, cutting down cleanup time. This model reaches up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, sealing in moisture while crisping the outside perfectly. The baskets are removable and designed for easy cleaning, while the stainless steel finish complements most modern kitchens. Whether it's busy weeknights or family gatherings, this air fryer helps keep meals quick, varied, and satisfying. Reviewers appreciate the generous capacity and stacked design that keeps counters clear. Many highlight how the food comes out evenly cooked, even when using both baskets at once. The interface is straightforward with clearly labeled buttons and an easy-to-read digital display. While it takes up some vertical space, it makes up for it with large meal capability. The included recipe guide offers meal ideas, and the appliance's fast preheat time saves extra minutes in the kitchen. Built with safety features like auto shutoff, it provides peace of mind during busy cooking. For anyone who loves versatility and needs to cook large portions without sacrificing countertop room, the Ninja Double Stack XL stands out as a thoughtful, family-friendly solution. Number 2. COSORI Air Fryer Pro 9-in-1, Compact 5 QD, for 50 degrees Fahrenheit, half-time and chef-grade cook, 1 wipe clean glass panel, 130+ in-app recipes with nutritional info, non-stick and dishwasher-safe basket, gray. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro combines performance and convenience in a compact 5-quart design suitable for couples or small families. Featuring 9 built-in cooking functions, it can air fry, bake, roast, broil, and more, all from a sleek glass touch panel that wipes clean easily. Capable of reaching 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it cooks food faster than traditional ovens while locking in crisp textures. This model comes with a non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket, reducing cleanup effort. The app integration provides access to over 130 curated recipes with nutritional information, helping to plan balanced meals. Designed for countertop efficiency, its footprint fits kitchens with limited space, yet it still handles family-sized portions like chicken wings or roasted vegetables. Reviewers often note how evenly the COSORI cooks and how intuitive the control panel feels, with quick temperature adjustments and presets. The high heat capacity contributes to a crunchy exterior while keeping the inside juicy. Its compact build doesn't compromise performance, offering quick dinners without preheating a large oven. The basket and crisper plate can be placed directly in the dishwasher, and the non-stick finish resists residue buildup, requiring just a gentle wipe between deeper cleans. The included recipes cover both beginner and creative meals, from snacks to main dishes. For anyone looking to save time while still making flavorful, healthier dishes, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro stands out as an efficient option. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD Clear Cook Air Fryer, clear windows, custom program options, 6-in-1 functions, crisps, broils, roasts, dehydrates, bakes, reheats, from the makers of Instant Pot, Black. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus offers a 6-quart capacity, striking a balance between compact design and generous space. Unique to this model are the clear cook windows, allowing users to check cooking progress without opening the basket, preserving heat and consistent results. The Vortex Plus features 6 versatile cooking modes: air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat, making it adaptable for everyday meals. The customizable programs simplify repeated recipes, while the Even Crisp technology directs airflow for uniform browning. Its black finish and sleek control panel add a modern touch to kitchens, and the basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, easing post-meal cleanup. Reviewers often highlight the convenience of being able to see inside during cooking, which helps avoid over or undercooking. The appliance heats quickly to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, reducing total cooking time and helping meals get to the table faster. Number 4. Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 with 5 QD capacity, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, air crisp technology with 400F for hot, 120 volts, non-stick basket and crisper plate, gray, AF141. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 offers a practical 5-quart capacity ideal for everyday family cooking. It features 4 versatile functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Designed to reach up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it produces hot, crispy results while sealing in moisture for tender interiors. Equipped with air crisp technology, it creates a balanced golden texture on fries, wings, and vegetables. The compact design keeps it manageable on counters without compromising meal size, making it great for weeknight dinners. Its non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, easing cleanup after use. The digital interface provides clear temperature and time adjustments, while a straightforward layout makes operation beginner-friendly. Reviewers appreciate the consistent results, with food cooking evenly and retaining moisture without extra oil. Dehydrate mode extends its use to homemade snacks like dried fruit or jerky, while the reheat function refreshes leftovers with better texture than a microwave. The compact footprint suits apartments or smaller kitchens, while still offering space to prepare main dishes. Built to handle daily cooking demands, it preheats quickly and keeps meals on schedule. The basket's non-stick surface helps reduce sticking, and its dishwasher-safe design streamlines end-of-meal cleanup. For households looking for reliability, ease of use, and satisfying crisp results, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro delivers dependable performance. Number 5. Oster Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Countertop Oven Stainless Steel 60-minute timer 6 cooking functions versatile accessories reduces energy and cooking time. The Oster Extra Large French Door Air Fryer combines an oven's versatility with modern air frying technology. Featuring spacious interior capacity, it fits large items like a family-size pizza, multiple trays of snacks, or full meals for gatherings. The unique French door design opens easily with a single pull, reducing heat loss and providing a broad view of the interior. 6 cooking functions include air fry, bake, broil, toast, warm, and dehydrate, making it a multi-purpose countertop appliance. The stainless steel finish complements various kitchen styles, and the built-in 60-minute timer adds cooking precision. Users highlight its ability to reduce cooking time and energy use compared to conventional ovens. The air fry function delivers crispy textures without excess oil, while the convection fan ensures even heat distribution. Included accessories like baking trays and air fry baskets expand meal possibilities. The large viewing window helps monitor food as it cooks, and interior lighting improves visibility. Adjustable racks accommodate taller dishes or multiple trays, adding flexibility for family meals or entertaining. For cleanup, the crumb tray slides out, and the interior surface is wiped clean after use. Many reviewers note its spacious design handles holiday meals or weekly meal prep without taking over the entire kitchen. Ideal for larger households or anyone wanting an oven and air fryer in one appliance, the Oster French Door Air Fryer balances traditional design with modern features to make everyday cooking easier and faster. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the description below if you'd like to learn more or grab one for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews.